People often struggle with the idea of the Trinity because we can't quite make sense of the math. The doctrine tells us that there are three persons in one God. So how does that make sense? Well, part of me wants to answer that question by saying that it doesn't make sense, at least in the sense that we can't make sense of it. The first thing I would want to say about the Trinity is that this isn't something that Christians have figured out about God. According to Christianity, this is how God has revealed himself to us. And prior to that, he revealed himself to the Jewish people as I am. What I love about both of these portrayals of God is how puzzling they are. They're not the kind of thing that you would invent. If we were going to invent an image for God, we would come up with something that resembles more like a Greek god. What we find in Christianity and Judaism is the unexpected. And the unexpected is exactly what we should come to expect if we were to encounter God. When we think about God, we need to be vigilant in reminding ourselves that God is infinitely more complex than anything that we could fit into our capacity for reason. In other words, we're not smart enough to make sense of God. Therefore, God is a mystery, and that makes perfect sense. The Trinity is one of the few descriptions of God that conveys that same sense of mystery.